What if I told you there is a way to make massive profit in the market without even trading? Yes, it's possible. Now let me tell you guys on how to make massive profit without even trading. But before then, I would like you guys to follow, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to as many as you can, and comment down. And watch this video to the end and learn much thing about this particular video. If you're a beginner in forex trading, don't worry about it. Watch this video to the end. Everything I have to say here means a lot. You can actually learn from it 100%. Okay, what if I told you there is a way to make money without even trading, and that is account management? Yes, for those of us that is not really interested in forex trading learning, or that want or don't want to further more, or find more knowledge on how to become a forex trader. For those of us that just want to make money, but they don't want to learn more about the candlesticks and how the market moves, well, this video is for you. Um, Let me give you guys a solution on how to make massive profit even trade account management comes in. I will recommend for you guys to actually look into account management. Yes, there is almost half a billion professionals out there that is willing to help grow your account, just like me. You can punch in for account management if you are interested. Just I'll be dropping my links on my description or on my comment section. So punch it to my DM for an account management, or you can join my Telegram channel. It's free. Join my Telegram channel where you can actually learn more about forex trading. Where there I will be giving you guys signals, free signals, and more to know about forex trading. But if you don't want to, you can actually join my Telegram channel and see all my work, what I've done in the past few months and stuff. And that Telegram channel stopped working because I lost I lost ownership and I lost control. But when I regained it, I decided to I decided to come back and start again and open the Telegram channel for you guys to actually participate in. So if you're actually a beginner, this is your opportunity. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Point it to my DM for account management, or you can join my Telegram channel to know more about forex trading. Some people in the market, they don't even know. They don't really want to stress themselves in trading. They just want to make massive profit and shut everything off. Yes, they just want to make massive profit and shut everything up. And they don't want to even think about how they can actually make more or further more in learning how to become a successful trader. They just want to go into market, trade, and make massive profit and go out from market and stuff. But it doesn't work like that. I don't mean to actually tell you anything, but market doesn't work like that. Yes, market doesn't ever work like that. Do you know the reason why I say the market doesn't work like that? Because even if you buy signals, even if you uh you buy signals, and even if you learn without even putting your mind there, you will still end up blowing all your account. Yes, reason because market don't work with somebody. There's nothing like, okay, this market is actually going down, and above signal, the signal says the market is actually going down, and let me place down and see how the market goes. You still end up blowing your account if care is not taken, because some of these signals, they are actually, do you know how the hours that the market is going to go before it comes to your direction? Do you know how hours the market is going to move before it comes to your direction? So the signals, before you take a signal, you still need to understand how market works before the signals will be taken. Yes, because if you don't understand how the market works, even with that, even with the signals, you're still useless in the market. Yes, you still don't know what to do in the market. You can still blow your account off the market. Yes, because with the signal, you can be able to grow your account with a mistake. It's as if you are risking, or it's as if you are gambling. But if you know a lot or a little about forex trading, maybe you can actually correct yourself before the mistakes comes. So punch into my DM for account management. I'll be managing your account. Come below or not below $100, and don't forget, make sure you come with your account, because a lot of people comes with uh uh I don't know, many things. A lot of people don't even come with real account. They'll be like, I have $50, I have 100, I have 120k dollars, but I want you to manage demo accounts to be sure you can be able to manage it. If you are not sure, why come into my DM? Don't watch one of my video and be like, okay, this guy is perfect for account management. Go to all my videos and watch it and see how profitable we've been, and see how satisfying we have been making profit. Yes. So before you come into my DM and you have a bigger account, come into my DM and assure that the market, and I'm going to manage and I'm going to make massive profit. Yes. And I will actually do just that. I just want you to be assured. Yes. That's one thing with market. Now, if you're going into market, you don't know anything about market, well, I will recommend, or I will advise, you need to know much about market before you go into market. Now, for the fact that you don't know anything about market, come into my group with the link on my bio or on my description or my comment section. Punch into my group and join my Telegram group. Is free. You don't need to pay a dime for that. The only one you need to pay a dime is my VIP Telegram channel. That's where I give free signals and all that. But this, I actually give signals, but you won't receive the signals every time, every day. So punch into my DM for account management and for free uh Telegram group for you to learn more about forex trading. It's actually a free course. So if you are going to my if you are coming to my DM, make sure you participate and learn more about forex trading and know what happened and what is actually going to go wrong and all that. Yes. So for you guys that are actually not satisfied with how to trade, now I'm going to give you guys two completely reasons or two ways on how to become a successful trader, even if you don't know anything about forex trading, or if you do know everything about forex trading. I'll give you guys two reasons on how to become a successful trader. First is discipline, and second is stop loss and take profit. It's very important. I always tell people stop loss and take profit is very important in the market. Discipline is also very important in market. You can't say you have 1k does account and your $100 inside the market, you've lost $100 inside the market, and you want to go back to the market with force. You will blow all your account, you wouldn't even know. Yes, you blew everything you had, you wouldn't even know. Yes, you blow everything you have, you wouldn't even know how the market goes, how profitable you are, or how anything. You need to be disciplined in order to learn how to control your anger and stuff. Now, the market have been doing a little bit bullish, but I know the market is actually going to go massively down to our profit. So stay tuned, make profit with me. If I've given this guy this signal to the group, this group is making massive profit already, or the VIP Telegram channel is making massive profit already. So have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video, and do well to subscribe, like, and share.